Good morning, students. This is Kiran sir, and we continue the English grammar with the 8th standard. Yesterday we discussed about the classification of nouns and pronouns, and today we are going to deal with the classification of adjectives and adverbs. Actually, in uh, first period we discussing the parts of speech in first period of grammar, and according to that we have an idea about the 8 parts of speech. Now, what is meant by noun? What is meant by pronouns? And what is meant by adjective and adverbs? We have to deal today. Now, adjectives. What is meant by adjective? Yes, adjective means this is the short form describing verbs. So, this is the adjective. And when we are discussing about the adverbs, this is the word that is adding the meaning of word. And actually, in that adverbs, having some modification and having some modifying with the verb and adjectives also. Okay, so adverbs we can deal later. Firstly, we discuss about the adjectives. So these are the types of adjectives, and in another word we can say that this is the classification and types. This is the both words having equal meaning. Now see the adjectives, and this is the types. Adjectives of quality, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and adjectives of quality. This is also not very tough. This is the easy also. Adjectives of quality. So students, when we're discussing about the adjectives of quality, they show the qualities of any person or animals. We can say that this is the bad girl. This is the adjectives of quality. Honest person, and according to that, kind person, dirty clothes, large city, beautiful garden. These are the examples of the adjectives of quality. Got it? Now we're discussing about the demonstrative adjectives. In the last period, we're discussing about the pronouns. In that pronouns also we deal with the demonstrative adjectives, and in that demonstrative adjective we discussing this, that, these, those, and these are the words we have to repeat here. So this is called also demonstrative adjectives. This book, that table. So according to that. Now possessive adjectives. In pronouns we discuss about the possessive pronouns, and we discuss about the possessive adjectives. In between both having a little difference. Mine, hers, theirs, ours. These are the words we discuss in a pronouns. But here in possessive adjective we is discussing only the words my, your, his, her, our, their. These are the examples of possessive adjectives. Okay. Now interrogative adjectives. From discussing about the interrogative, you can understand properly. Interrogative means making questions. Which are the when we were discussing about the interrogative adjectives, there are WH questions, WH type of words we have to deal with that. So this is the easy way. Which, what, whose. These are the words we are using in interrogative adjectives. Now last one, adjectives of quality. Sorry, quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Personal possessive pronouns. In possessive pronouns also we discuss about the quantity, and this is the same but little bit change there. They include all the numerals 1, 2, 3rd, 5th, 8th, 10th. These are the words there, and also all, both, every, many, few, each. These are the words. This is the example of adjectives of quality. So we're discussing about the adjectives of quality, quality of person or things. Demonstrative adjective, these, uh, this, that, these, those. Possessive adjectives, my, your, her, his. Interrogative adjective, WH. and adjectives of quality, one, two, third, fifth floor. These are the examples of that. Got it? Now we are discussing about the adverbs. Everyone have the knowledge about the adverbs. What is the meaning of adverbs? Adverb is the word that adding the meaning of verbs. But in between that, we are adding the meaning of also adjectives and uh, adjectives and adverbs also. So this is also called the adverb. See here, this is the example. She types quickly. She types quickly. This is the modifying the word types. That's why this is the quickly adverb. You are quite right. This is the modifying the words of right, because you are right. Okay, this is also okay. You are right, but you are quite right. So this is the describing verb. So this is the adjective. Now he spoke very well. He spoke well. This is also okay, but he spoke very well. This is the modifying the verb words of well. So that's why this is the very. So these are the modifying verbs, verb, adjectives, and adverbs. So that's why this is the adding the meaning, and this is also the adverbs also. Okay. Now we're discussing the types of the adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and interrogative adverbs. Okay. So we're dealing one by one. Adverbs of manner. When you ask the question with how, you got the answer. How? You got the answer. How quickly, angrily, carefully, fast, well. These are the examples of that. When you ask the question with how, you got the answer. So that's why this is the adverbs of manner. Okay. Now adverbs of place. When you ask the question with where. So you got the answer, and according to that, you understand that this is the adverb of place. So there are here, there, near, everywhere. Where? When you ask the question where, here, everywhere, you got the answer. So that's why you people understand that this is the adverbs of place. Now third, adverbs of time. When you people ask the question with when, come, you got the answer, and understand that this is the adverbs of time. So there are now, then, today, yesterday, soon. This type of words we can use here, and when you ask the question with when, you got the answer. This is the adverbs of time. Got it? Now adverbs of frequency. In the adverbs of frequency, when you ask the question with how often, you people ask the question with how often, you got the answer. So that's why you got the adverbs of frequency. These are the some words: often, sometimes, always, never, twice. कितना बार हुआ? Frequency. So how often, using in the questions, you got the answer. So that's why you understand this is the adverbs of frequency. Okay. Now interrogative adverbs. Everyone knows that what is the meaning of the interrogative? Question words. When you people dealing with the question WH, how, why, when, where. So these are the WH words. When you ask the question, you got the answer. This is called the interrogative adverb. Got it? Adverbs of manner, ask the question with how. Adverbs of place, ask the question with where. Adverbs of time, ask the question with when. Adverbs of frequency, ask the question with how often. And interrogative adverbs, this is the question words. According to that, when you're discussing about the question words, you having the idea regarding the interrogative adverbs. Okay. This is the adjectives and this type. This is the adverb and its type. So here we completed the lesson. Okay. Now students, open your textbook, page number 10. This is the exercise A, B, C, D. Say whether the following nouns are common, proper, abstract or collective. So you have to classify them and write the answer in your notebook. Second, pronouns. Third, classifying the adjectives and classifying the adverbs. So this is your homework. So you have to write in your notebook and show me. Okay? Thank you.